We just finished one of our light circles on radiant health, and the topic tonight was a deep inner peace. And this is what we were transmitting into the collective consciousness because in these times, there's so many extreme reactions that are going on as people are missing out on their community, people are missing out on that connection and uh, having a tendency to fall so deep into fear. And afterwards, one of the participants that were here on screen with us, she was talking about how it's easier to connect with people one-on-one, but sometimes when you're in a group, especially the group where you all have to work together, but not everybody has the same way of viewing the world and the issues that are going on today, she said, I find that a little bit more problematic. And so I wanted to share with you some things that you can do using your light in those situations. Now, if you haven't discovered the basic activation of divine light vibrations guided meditation yet, please do check that out because it's a very simple 9-minute meditation that makes all the difference in the world. And it's a standalone meditation, or you can use it as a build up or a warm up to your regular meditative practices. But you drop deep into your divine soul knowing. So you just relax into it. And the formula that is that I often use is stop, look, let, love. So it's real simple, but it can take you really deep. So you just stop what you're doing and you take a look at what you're doing and you let go and you look within. And when you sink deep into that divine origin spark of you, and just, I choose deep inner peace, and let go. What will happen is that you'll feel a relaxation and you'll start to feel an expansion in yourself. And then your divine soul knowing can direct divine light that is flowing from infinity within through you, up through your divine heart, your human heart, and let it spill over and fill all of your bodies. And that is your physical body, your emotional body, your mental body, your psychic body, your soul bodies, because there's different layers. You are a multidimensional divine light being having a human experience. Your heart bodies, there's a layer of your human heart, and then there's all the layers that you've put around that to protect your human heart from those old hurts. So you're just letting divine light fill your bodies, all of your bodies. It's infinite intelligence that knows all things, omniscient wisdom that knows how to manage all things for the highest good of all, and omnipotent, all-powerful, unconditional love that can and will go however you choose to direct it. So just, I choose a deep inner peace. Now, I took a long time explaining that. When you're on the fly, it's just, whoa, just hang on, baby, just for 1 second. I let go. I choose deep inner peace. And you just sink into yourself and let it flow up and out. And then when you're talking to somebody, whether they have a similar point of view or a dissimilar point of view, you are emanating a deep inner peace. You're listening from a deep inner peace. It's from that deep inner peace state. And by the way, that's going to keep going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. So you just start from where you are and do the best you can. And then you're transmitting that. And then just listen. Hear their story. Hear what they have to say. Why are they saying it? Sometimes we only listen to the words and we forget to feel into why are they saying that? What is it that they really want? And because you can work off the premise that they want a deep inner peace too. They want to be able to express their love. They want to feel loved. And so when you can just transmit deep inner peace to them, that's the first step to being able to transmit and receive and exchange different levels of unconditional love. Now that's one-on-one. When you're with a group, just remember this. You don't have to swim in the energies that they're putting out. When you're in your own deep inner peace, when you're letting your own light flow freely from center to circumference, you can be in any environment that you want to be in, and you will move lightly in any dense world. And then when you engage, just engage one-on-one, 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 one-on-one. You don't have to think about the crowd because then it can be a little bit overwhelming. Okay, so just Look, let love. You just stop what you're doing, look at what you're doing, let go, let yourself sink into a deep inner peace, and let love flow because you can.